Nespresso Inissia Original Espresso Machine by DeLonghi, Silver. Barista Grade, Nespresso Inissia by DeLonghi offers an impeccable single-serve coffee or espresso cup every time, thanks to its automatic operation and patented extraction system which delivers up to 19 bars of pressure. The Inissia is the perfect coffee machine that fits perfectly into any interior design. Speed: in just one touch, ideal water temperature is reached in 25 seconds and you are ready to make 9 single-serve cups of coffee without having to refill the 24-ounce tank. This automatic coffee machine gets your perfect cup of coffee or espresso to you fast. Versatile and smart coffee machine, adjustable cup size with 2 programmable Espresso and Lungo buttons. A folding drip tray accommodates larger single-serve cup sizes in recipes.Rated voltage frequency, Vhz, 110 to 120 volts 50 to 60 Hz energy efficient coffee machine. Brew 2 different cup sizes, Espresso, 1.35 ounces, and Lungo, 5 ounces. With just the touch of a button, pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. With the smart energy saving mode automatically switches off our coffee maker after 9 only minutes. Body material plastic. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.